So yesterday I completed one course on Microsoft Foundry. The course was published by Microsoft Press, and I strongly believe, just like Claude, Microsoft Foundry is a wonderful tool for enterprises to help them make agents. It's so easy to create agents, to put all the institutional memory on one place, and then agents can guide and make workflows. So I strongly believe the way the AI is working, I can safely say that sooner or later we will no more need the CRM agents. The CRM agents are going to be dead in any way. But at the same time, I see a single entrepreneur, a single freelancer can manage a lot of work together. A person with only one computer with access to Microsoft Foundry can easily run a company. So an e-commerce companies that needed at least 10 to 50 people now, with these kind of tools, definitely these companies will be performing well. And the most important part will be that they will be able to achieve more with less humans. And this is AI, how it's changing the world. This is my observation, and these are initial stages of Microsoft Foundry. These are initial stages of Claude. But I strongly believe with the passage of time, their powers will increase and humans have to upgrade themselves. Maybe there will be other category jobs, but the CRM related jobs will be finished soon.